Speak loud.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. How old are you?
10.
10. Inshallah, next year you will be 11 by the will of Allah.
Inshallah.
Did I count right? MashaAllah. Okay, let's go.
I went to Umrah.
MashaAllah.
Alhamdulillah. I have a quick question and answer with it.
Okay.
So,
You have a question and an answer. Okay, that's good.
Just need you to modify it.
Yes.
Ramadan is a generous month.
Yes.
This month has a lot of sacrifices.
Allahu Akbar. May Allah bless you and strengthen you.
A lot of people die in this month.
A lot of people die in Ramadan.
And sometimes you cannot see your other Ramadan. But you shouldn't be scared of that because we all know where we're going to go. Inshallah, Jannat al-Firdaus. May Allah grant us all to Jannat al-Firdaus.
Ameen.
And may Allah bring us to all the good deeds we have.
Ameen.
And I'm wishing to be a scholar like you, inshallah.
Inshallah, better than me, inshallah.
Inshallah, ya Rabb. And may Allah give us all zakat. May Allah bring us to the best we can, inshallah, to our best modify.
Ameen.
And a lot of people stand up for you, Mufti Meng. And a lot of people are trying to be willing to stand up for you and trying to be the best as we can.
MashaAllah.
So may Allah bring us all to the right path, inshallah.
Ameen, ameen, ameen. How was your Umrah? How was your Umrah?
Alhamdulillah, I kissed the stone.
You kissed the stone. You're so fortunate. I was in Umrah last week and trust me, the whole week and I did not manage to kiss the stone. Look at the favor of Allah upon you, mashallah.
I kissed the Yemeni corner. I
Mashallah.
touched Kaaba wall.
Allah bless you. Wow,
And I'm happy
mashallah.
now, inshallah.
May Allah bless you and grant you happiness in this world and the next and give you more than you can imagine and your folks. Ameen.
Inshallah. But just pray for my great grandma. She died.
May Allah grant her Jannatul Firdaus. May Allah
Inshallah,
make
Ya
it
Rabbi.
easy for the entire family and give you sabr jameel.
Ameen.
Lovely, lovely. Thank you for your participation. Amazing.